Yes, Tabanantanyana, aka Habe, Yaparabo, Oboshiani, about Olu, Africa.
The plants grow green and thick. A playful mist catches in the sunlight, revealing weak rainbows. Volcanoes rumble, spilling their hot semen over the ancient ground.
If your good book told you you were born to be a slave, then you'd also have heavenly daddy issues.
In rhythms of defiance, we speak to break the silence. The kingdom suffers violence, we stick to our resistance.
When he looks in the eyes of a child whose father never made it back from a night shift, he sees a picture of a boy whose future reflects through a broken mirror.
Barenero was Diopolo's vision. It was her baby, it was her dream, and all we hope for is to make her proud and to make a difference in children's lives in Lesotho and I guess continentally.
We are here because Diopolo had a dream. She believed that thoughts, imaginations, and whatever must be captured on paper and be shared with a larger crowd.
Voice for me is kind of more or less very central to my project as a writer. It's part of the reason why I was drawn to fiction to begin with, because it speaks to a particular kind of sensibility that a writer has.
I think prose sort of takes you on a journey. It unfolds things slowly but surely. But poetry is so fast. It just takes you there, and it's so immediate. It's so right there, right now.
I think poetry is sort of like music. There are emotions that comes with a certain kind of poem right there and then.
Taba ya hore ho hatella motho e mong kapa ho botshatsa o le betere motho mong ha se ntho e bonolo jwalo ka hore o fihle ho yena o jwetse hore ha ra nna wena ke nna betere.
Women should always take care of themselves, look orderly and fashionable at all times. Do not walk clumsily, do not try to attract eyes that don't belong on your face, and maybe we can talk about some things.
So when you hear that whisper in your heart, that says, right, you are being reminded of what you came bearing to the world.
You are free to write the worst junk in the world, the universe, anywhere. Honestly, you are.
I remember the willow in my backyard, whom I speak to about the nuances of growth. Her bark is rough and intricate, much like the marks on my chest and back.
Time cannot resurrect the pain of a universe that does not experience it. Delicate is the resurrection man, whom immortality is only gifted to by an expendable, unequal society.
Tell the truth as you understand it. If you are a writer, you have a moral obligation to do this. And it is a revolutionary act. Truth is always subversive.